Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video I will show you how to register with FilesDNA using your phone. First of all, you want to download the FilesDNA app from your App or Google Store. This is how our app appears in Apple Store. Open it and move to the next step. Here is the app homepage. Please click on Create New now. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Microsoft and Apple, or simply create an account with your email address and password. Type in your email address. The password needs to be at least 8 characters long and it must include capital letter, number and symbol. Make sure your password is not easy for better security. Once you've filled in your email and password, click on Sign Up. Now we have to confirm our email. Go to your inbox and open email from FilesDNA. Simply click on Confirm My Account link. Your email is now verified. Go back to the home page. Sign in with your email address and password and click on Login. Well done. You have created your FilesDNA account. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.